Now, the Satanic School of Poetry was a name applied by Robert Southey to a class of writers headed by Byron and Shelley, because, according to him, their productions were characterized by a satanic spirit of pride and audacious impetus. This is according to Southey, that Byron and Shelley, uh, their poetry was characterized with a satanic spirit of pride. Uh, Although we have some of Byron's and Shelley's works, which we can discuss, and while we are discussing the Satanic School of Poetry, but of course we can do that if later if we have time. So it's To a Skylar, which Shelley is one of the famous poems, which also praises the nature, but in a more ruthless way, the description. So when we go deeper in the details of Byron and Shelley, we can see how that their productions were characterized by the satanic spirit, and how it exhibited a sense of pride and audacious impertinence, a breakaway from the natural, from the so-called normal course of imagination and praise for beauty. So it was an offbeat which moved away in a different, in an oblique way to describe, to praise nature in a different spirit altogether, which is termed satanic by particularly Robert Southey.